at the Losma Group are glad to collaborate with Machine Maker in Manufacturing Maestros, an event that recognizes and celebrates companies that are leading the way in driving growth in the manufacturing sector. The forthcoming event is on 22nd of March in Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, in which the Losma Group is nominating companies from the city that it acknowledges are at the forefront of this endeavor. I invite members of the industry to join us at the event as we recognize and celebrate the remarkable achievements.